Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Pancakeswap. My friends, what's going on this time in a Pancakeswap? Just watch, my friends, and never miss any second of this video, my friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. So, my friends, if you look the latest price of the Pancakeswap, and this time in the market. So you can see here 17.09 USD dollar is the current price of the Pancakeswap, my friends. On the other side, you can see here if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Pancakeswap, so 0.0004283 USD dollar is the BTC price of the Pancakeswap, my friends. And you can see here the market cap of the Pancake, the 24-hour trading volume of the cake, and available supply, total supply, every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Now, my friends, let me show you the price changes. The price changes is going wrong on the Pancakeswap from the yesterday. From the yesterday, the price of Pancakeswap start falling, and now still the price of Pancakeswap is going down. What's the reason behind it? You know what, my friends? A lot of people decide to sell Pancakeswap. They are disappointed from a Pancakeswap. They understand that Pancakeswap have no idea to take a pump in the future, my friends, but they are wrong, my friends. You know what, my personal prediction about Pancakeswap is 100% positive. I believe that they will give you good amount of profit in the future, my friends. You know what, why I recommend for everyone to please sell in the last of this month? Because I know in the last of this month the Pancakeswap will take a huge pump. That is why I recommend for everyone to please hold to the last of this month, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Pancakeswap. You can see here, my friends, after a false zero jump, my friends, you can see here, and the previous time they take a jump, and now this time that is a temporary fast, and after this temporary fast they will take a huge pump. That is my prediction. In the last of this month they will take a huge pump. So please wait for it and don't miss this pump of the Pancakeswap. Hope you like this video. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about Pancakeswap? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.